Hello, my name is Shai. Today I'm checking out more of Forte Di Quattro. Still pondering why it took me so long to finally react to them, because you would think at this point in my YouTube career, hobby, I don't know what to call this, but in my YouTube uploadingness, I would eventually have found them, especially since I started doing for Stella. You would think I would have found them and be like, oh, you know what? Let me check these guys out. I think I've heard of them before. Let me react to them. No, it took me until that last one to finally check them out. I can't believe it took me that long. But today, I'm checking out 겨울소리, or like I think it literally translates to winter sound. So 겨울소리. I'm excited because they surprised me with their rendition of I Need You. I don't think I know this song, but regardless, I'm excited to see how this goes. So I'm gonna get straight into this. So without further ado, this is Forte Di Quattro with 겨울소리, or I think it's winter sound. Here we go. Am I gonna cry? We'll see. Who is this by? Park Hyunjin? Honey? I didn't see that one. Let's see the original artist. I thought that was an effect on the microphone, but no. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to cry. I have a feeling. I know this song. The way he pushes and pulls. please tell me that the songs that Forte Di Quattro sings on Phantom Singer are not gonna make me cry. Because with I Need You, I almost cried. This one, I'm full on crying. Ah! Oh my gosh. What are my thoughts? Who is this originally by? Hold on, let me find out. I feel like I read in the beginning Park Hyoshin because this sounds like a Park Hyoshin song. And it's been a while since I've reacted to a Park Hyoshin song, now that I think about it. Let me see. Wongguk, Park Hyoshin. I knew it is a Park Hyoshin song. I know my man's songs when I hear it. Let me see what this song's originally about. I do believe they added that beginning parts. Let me see. Park Hyoshin Winter Sound. Sound of Winter, Winter Sound. One of those. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like, because I feel like with Park Hyoshin, he definitely has like a distinct style when it comes to his songs. So like, when I heard that like kind of push and pull from one of the members, I was like, this kind of sounds like a Park Hyoshin song. So yeah. So here's the translated version. Looking out a small window at a sky adorned with stars, trying to fall back asleep on the sleepless night. On a night like the first snow after a long autumn, my winter has finally arrived this night. This untouched and starry path I cross on my own. To the revived sound of winter, singing along with the night, wishing for this song, to embrace you where you sleep, sleep in white. Longing to write out your name across this unnamed white canvas, breathing softly the wintry air. Taking a step from the path I had stopped. This untouched and starry path I long to cross on my own. To the revived sound of winter, singing along in the night, wishing for the song to embrace you where you sleep, sleep in white. When everything was covered in white, when our endless stories ran through that sleepless night, to the revived sound of winter, singing along in the night, wishing for the song to embrace you where you sleep, closing my eyes with you in my arms asleep in white. So obviously it's not really a sad song, but it's just with this one, it's just like there's a lot of, I feel like, hidden sadness within this one. So it's kind of has me in tears. I also thought about like my very first memory, like, you know how people talk about like what they remember as like the first thing that they can remember from like their childhood. For me, it's ironically one winter day in Chicago. I used to live in Chicago. One winter day in Chicago, my dad is shoveling the path, you know, because it was covered with snow. I had a snowball in my hand, and I threw it, and it hit my dad in the back. That was one of my first fond memories from my childhood, and I don't know, I think this suddenly came to mind when I saw the snow. But oh my god, when it started snowing, when the background just became just black with the snow, the emotions that came out. Like, I don't know, like I said, the lyrics in itself doesn't sound like it's supposed to be a sad song. However, just the feeling of how Forte Di Quattro is singing, how you see their expressions, it's just there's, I feel like I said, a hidden pain in there. So I do hope that the other songs that I do listen to from Forte Di Quattro, I hope I won't cry as much, because I feel like at least one song from each group of Phantom Singer has made me cry at some point. So I feel like it's going to be that thing. But if it's if Forte Di Quattro is going to be that one group where I cry in every single song, then I need to prepare tissues. I need to prepare tissues. But regardless, it's very fun to hear, you know, Forte Di Quattro. Why it took me so long to finally check them out, I have no idea. But I am now checking them out and will continue to do so as long as they will release and perform and stuff. So yes, hopefully you guys do enjoy this reaction. It's very fun to react to more Phantom Singer and to get to know the groups and whatnot, and to see kind of their singing style and whatnot. So So again, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.